How to remove white border around icon on iPhone. If your iPhone is running on iOS 26, you may likely see some white border around the icon. And if yours is not visible, maybe the glitch is not really affecting your iPhone. But if you discover that there is white border around each of the icon or apps icon on your iPhone, then there is tendency that the glitch is really affecting your iPhone. So what you need to do to take it off is very simple. So this video I'll give you 2 tips. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that your iPhone is up to date. Go ahead and tap on settings button. Inside the settings, tap on general. Inside general, tap on software update. Now if you have any update here, make sure you update your device to the latest version. This should fix the bug. And if that does not fix the bug, then try this second option. Go to the settings again, tap on it. Now scroll up a bit until you get to accessibility, tap on it. Then locate and tap on display and text size, tap on it. So under display and text size, make sure you turn off show border and turn it on. If you turn it on and off, this might fix it. Then try transparency, reduce transparency. Turn it on and off, then turn it off. Then don't forget to do the same with increase contrast. Turn it on and turn it off. So doing this, we usually remove the white border on each of the apps you have on your iPhone. So that's all guys. If you enjoyed what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.